Hi everybody, thanks so much for tuning in to this video. In this video, we will go over how to view trips you're assigned to as a guide. Let's get started. So I am currently inside a guide account. Most guide accounts will only have access to the schedule tab and the bookings tab. To start off here, I just want to briefly go over the schedule tab. The schedule tab is where you can add in time off. You can also view your time off and view bookings you're assigned to in a calendar view. In the bookings tab, this is going to be more of a list view of the bookings you're assigned to. If you click into the booking in the bookings tab versus the schedule tab, you will still see the same information. So feel free to use whatever works best for you. I'm going to go ahead and click into my upcoming booking for May 7th. From here, you can view all trip information. Most importantly, the contact information here. And other things to keep an eye out for are the company trip notes. You can keep these updated on your end. You can edit them using this pencil here. Admins are also able to edit these, so any notes left from the customer, just be sure to check this area out. If you have any questions, please reach out and we will get back to you. Thanks so much.